Now, I spotted a very bearish pattern on Spider. Now, Spider SPY is the ETF for S&P 500. Okay, guys, so I can use this to charts to show you what's going on in the US market. So when you go to the US market, right? Okay, Spider S&P 500 track the most stock. So this is the barometer for most of the stock market worldwide. Okay, as you can see, if you go to the weekly chart, you can see a very beautiful head and shoulder pattern over here in the Spider. This is a major reversal pattern. So if you come here, okay, then you type head and shoulder pattern. It is a major reversal pattern, so it is showing you that it is going to come down. Can you see? It's going to come down. Head and shoulder pattern. There you go. So this is the neckline at about 420. 420 if cracked. Now let's take a look. Now it is doing 424. So it's like cliffhanger, hanging there, ready to break lower. If it break lower, all hell break loose. 不要小看这个 pattern, don't look down on this head and shoulder pattern. Once you see this kind of big pattern, especially on the weekly chart, there is a reason why the market rebound and then jump down. So be very careful. That is why here in Singapore, most of the stocks are going up. Sorry, I should say most of our stocks are going up, so I don't have a problem. But in Malaysia, we have got a lot of stocks going to jump down. So therefore, I sell a lot of stocks in Malaysia. Because of this, if it comes in coming down, so it may trigger a bear market. Okay, you can take a look at 2008. That time, what happened? Okay, now 2008, you don't see the head and shoulder pattern, but you do see a double top right here. Okay. And then this is the neckline of the double top. Okay, this is the retest. It came down, retest failed low. Okay, so that was 2008. So whenever the market is toppish, be careful, and you must have a reason why it's coming down. 2008, when I was still a young man, I remember it was countrywide, followed by bear turns. One by one, the mortgage broker turns belly up. Unemployment rate shoots up. Okay, shoots up. So wow. So that was the reason why it kept going lower and lower. And of course, in October, you see, those of you who are not in the stock market at that time, you may have heard about it. In October, Lehman Brothers go to bankruptcy, correct or not? But the shit already happened few months back. Keep going lower and lower and lower and lower. Sell and sell and sell and sell. Okay, so Lehman Brothers, surprisingly, in October, you see it collapsed, right? It is near the low, It's near the low. You see it? It has really came down a long way from the high. Also, this is something you want to watch out for, especially like now, we already have this head and shoulder pattern. So if you continue to break lower and follow by a retest and go lower, see liao. It's going to come much lower. Okay, so this is the warning sign that we are experiencing in the Spider right now. Of course, I hope that it will go up and not down, but it seems like it's coming down. So everybody, please take care. Our stock seems to be fine though, very weird. I also cannot explain the phenomenon. Usually Singapore will die faster than the rest, but this time round we are much more resilient. Okay, let's take a look at the market strength index for NYSE. Okay. You see the big spike down. Okay, so where's the Sapu zone? Is right here. This is the low, the best time to buy. So when S&P 500 go low enough to reach this low or this low and start to turn up, okay, then that's the time where if it hits any support level, that is the time where we expect the index to go up. Also, there could be a bounce coming. So right now we are on the way down still.